So now you're taking it off the machine. Is it cool down enough?
Should be. Now,
Looks really nice. Looks pretty sturdy too.
okay, hey guys. So the lights that I'm putting up, I need this power supply to power it. Unfortunately, the cord that I have it's too long, so I need a way to mount this. So that's why we printed this. And now we're going to use this to mount this on the wall.
See whether it fits. This side needs to go.
So it's going to be a little bit of a tight fit. And it's going to fit like that.
Nice.
And now it'll mount to the wall.
So that's where the nails will go through this hole.
Yeah, the nails will go right through.
Did you print it this way, or did you have to drill the hole?
No, this was all printed this way.
So you design it this way.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, that's nice.
Okay, yeah, you can go ahead and start. So the plan right now is to put the other strip that comes with this set over on this side.
Okay.
So I don't want to interfere with that, but I'll probably put that strip a little bit lower so it'll go along right here. So this box can mount, actually I think I'll just, yeah, I'll probably just go ahead and mount it right here. And there'll be some overhang. It'll be a little messy looking, but I don't think I really care about that here. And I'm gonna need a zip tie to hold this excess. All right, now, so after a few hours, we have our power supply up and running, tacked into the wall. I've actually moved it out a little bit for space reasons, and now whenever I hit the button on my handy remote, it's going to turn on. Clicks on, and then I can turn it off. So overall, this was a fun project. I looked on my computer and I've actually lost my design file for this particular holder, so I only have the G-code file at present. But still, it was a fun project to work on, getting to design the holder.